That's how you say good morning. What we're gonna do today is we will do a food review
What is it
of
mean?
this. Can you read?
What's that mean?
It's polvotriaceous. Wow, classic cookies. Let's try. Can you do it again? Kailangan ganitohin pala. Okay, I will do it also.
Don't make it down. Don't make it down.
You don't want to open the box.
Me too.
Okay, which color do you like to try? Orange, purple, and green. Which one?
Here.
The purple. One only. One only. Get one. Okay. You will say something after you taste it, ha? You will tell me if it's yummy, or is it salty, or is it sweet. Okay?
It's not a
Ay,
sweet.
dinurog mo. Palitan natin.
How about that one?
Okay.
How
What
about
flavor yung purple? Cookie center. Oh, you try. Si Asher muna. Oh, no, don't get it, ah. Just bite. How is it?
Yes, it's nice.
And
Okay, first get strawberry.
it tastes like what?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. It tastes like strawberry daw. Ano ba 'to flavor mo? What's the real taste? You tell me. What's the real taste? One more.
Strawberry. Blueberry.
Blueberry? Oh, blueberry naman ngayon. Ambot, bahala ka na nga dyan. Mm.
Delicious.
This is cookies and cream, anak. Cookies and cream.
That's my. Mom, why are we doing that? Why are we doing it again now?
So they will know the taste of the food. If it's good, if it's yummy, if it's whatever.
What's whatever? That
And then
my.
we will try the...
What
Okay,
is
I will
my
open it.
flavor? This is my flavor.
Hindi ko alam kung anong flavor to.
I'll hold it.
Basta the orange.
I'll
Orange.
hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Okay. You try one.
But
Small bite. Okay. What's the taste?
orange.
Orange na ulit. Ay, nako. Binabasa niya sa kulay ng packaging. Ay, nako. Walang sense to mag-food review.
It's banana.
Ambot. Cover your mouth.
Oh, that's bear.
It's a monkey.
What's the flavor? What's the flavor?
Yep.
Mango. Mango.
Sarap siya.
Give me that.
Mm.
Give me.
Ako na.
Why you?
I'm gonna break it. Okay. Then the last one.
Last one.
Anong flavor ito? I think this is the desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut. Ay, sit down lang!
Is the
Desiccated coconut. Where are you going? Ay, no one
other
here.
one after.
Oh!
Let's eat the one.
You cannot eat it all.
Why?
Because it's sweet.
Don't eat it. It's mine.
Dapat. Lasang kakanin.
Just like coconut.
Oh, whoa, how did you know it? It tastes like coconut daw. Oh, effective. Nalasahan niya yung coconut.
It's like
One more?
tender.
In fairness, sa huli lang siya tumama sa flavor. Nice. Masarap siya.
I want to hold this.
Okay. We're copying Princess because Princess did this food review last
May-
time.
My cousin.
Yeah, Princess your cousin. Kailangan may karugtong.
Titis.
Titis my cousin, Princess my cousin. Dapat ganun. Yeah, she's your cousin. Okay, sarap siya lahat. Pero, ang pinakagusto ko ay yung pinaka strong flavor yung coconut.
Okay.
Lasang-lasa siya talaga. Tapos, yung classic. Classic. Hindi mo lang flavor, pero masarap. Yung cookies and cream, hindi ko siya masyadong malasahan. Teka nga, baka kailangan pa ng isa. Hop. Over your mouth! Masarap yung cookies and cream. Masarap pala lahat. Mas angat lang yung flavor ng angat. Flavorful siya. Nasang lasa. Yan ang haba ng food review ko. Food review pala namin.
Mommy, what's review?
Review.
It means what?
It means we are telling what we... Hirap naman, nag-i-English. What's the taste of the food? And if we like it or not. Sarap. Okay, nice one. Perfect. Drink water.
Is it done?
Yeah, we're done.
Hold on.
Which one do you like? The coconut, the cookies and cream, or the
Banana.
classic? The banana daw yung gusto niya.
Banana.
Where's the banana? This one, the classic?
Yeah, the banana.
It's not banana flavor. Ala niya banana flavor.
Banana.
Bye! Bye. Ay, gusto yung bye-bye na. Bye!
But I want us to eat this.
Okay.
But how do I open it?
Ay, ay mag-stop.